Hello, my name is Josef. I'm the CTO of Angkas. Angkas is a ride-hailing company in the Philippines. We are doing primarily two-wheeler ride-hailing. So our customers are commuters and all kinds of people who want to get from A to B in the Philippines. But also at the same time, our customers are also our drivers. Yeah? So we give drivers, we consider drivers as customers. We give them income, we give them access to income and to make their living. The problem we solve in Manila, I think, is there are multiple dimensions to it, but the biggest problem is the traffic. And in the absence of a very well-educated transportation system, a public transportation system, two-wheeler transportation has a very high importance, because at peak times it's more or less the only way how you can get from A to B fast. And we do a lot of investment into our drivers also to train them properly, so that we see very good customer experience by good behavior, but also by a very high level of safety. Our business, or the nature of our business, is very fast. It's very fast transacting. It's not like, and there is no stickiness. The next operator is one click away. It's not like a bank where there is some kind of a stickiness. If you have a bank account, if you're a customer, there's a very high chance that you stay and that you don't walk away. This is not the case in our business. It's today you use operator 1, tomorrow you use operator 2. So we needed a platform that we can engage with customers, but not only engage, it's all about engaging in real time or near real time. So it needs to be very fast. And it is about combining engagement or communication with action. So what we did is we integrated all our systems, like our promotion system, our loyalty system, with MoEngage, and we can combine the actions we are taking in our promotion system, for example, with the communication we do in MoEngage. And that helps us a lot to influence in real time the conversion rate of our customers in the platform. And it also helps us a lot to influence in real time the behavior of our drivers on the street. I mean, MoEngage platform is in the center of our system, more or less, because MoEngage is for us not only an engagement platform. Engagement requires very, very targeted communication. Targeted communication requires a very powerful segmentation capability. So what we see at MoEngage is, as I said, not only the engagement platform, but we use this powerful segmentation capability across all our systems. So MoEngage is for us the core segmentation platform, and we use these segments for engagement in MoEngage, but we also exported and distribute segments across our entire landscape. So it became a core part of our entire architecture. We started with MoEngage as a satellite for engagement only, and then we realized the power of the platform and we moved it into the center of our architecture. There's a lot of different types of data that we get. So it starts with behavioral data, it's with app usage data, so how do customers use the app. But there's also transactional data. We have a lot of other information that we get from external about the environment, traffic, weather, as a calendar. Especially in the Philippines, everybody knows what a Friday payday is. So there's events like this, they have a huge impact on how the demand situation and how the customer situation is out there. And we get all this data and we feed it into MoEngage, and that allows us to, in real time, have an impact on the sales funnel. Sales funnel means for us, you open the app, you enter your pickup, you enter your drop-off, eventually you place a booking, and you go from A to B. And during this very short lasting sales funnel, there are many drop-off points, unfortunately. And with MoEngage and with the speed of what we have information available, we can in real time intercept in this funnel and change the behavior and move customers from one step to the next step in the channel, in the funnel. The channels we are leveraging is primarily push notification, which gives us in real time access to the customer's behavior, or it gives us a way to influence the customer's behavior in real time. And it's in-app messages. What we're also looking at now, it's a new use case, a potentially new use case is MoEngage's ad functionality, because we have a lot of ad spaces in our platform as well. Currently we use these ad spaces only for the Angkas user, so we have not yet monetized it, but we see that there are big reactions to these spaces. So whenever we publish certain information on these spaces, the same is valid for our drivers, we see that this has a huge impact on the behavior. Yeah? So that on the one hand gives us a good tool to influence drivers and customers' behavior. On the other hand, this proves also that this is a very valuable space that we can also monetize with third parties. So one specific example of personalized messaging that we use, a personalized engagement that we use, is weather-dependent and location-dependent driver behavior. So if we currently have an incentive running whenever there is rain, the drivers show the behaviors that they don't want to drive, which is understandable. Yeah? So there needs to be some extra motivation to get them on the street. So what we do is we have a program that is called Signal Zero. And Signal Zero means whenever there is rain in the driver's area, then we don't take any commission. We take 0% commission. Yeah? And the way how we communicate this is based on weather information, real-time weather information, real-time driver information, and then we can publish a message to the driver, you are now Signal Zero. So that means whenever you do a ride now, we don't take any commission. Yeah? And this is real-time because it depends on real-time weather and real-time driver position. So one capability that is also very, very relevant to us and has a huge impact is the way how we in real time monitor the customer conversion funnel and how we can interact with the customer to get customers from one step, which is it's a very short cycle, from opening the app, entering pickup and drop-off, seeing the price, to placing a booking. And the drop-off rate is still very high during this process. And what we do in MoEngage is we can monitor this funnel, and our marketing team can run experiments with different kinds of promotions or interactions that comes from the integration we have with other tools, like with our promotion engine. So marketing does A/B testing, runs different programs, sees in real time how the conversion changes, and then they can decide what they focus on. Yeah. So this is definitely a big impact in our conversion rate.